Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use layers to edit images in Adobe Photoshop. Layers are the secret sauce to creating stunning and professional looking designs. So let's dive in. Once your image is open, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, allowing you to work on different elements of the image separately. To add a new layer, click on the Create a New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Drag and drop layers to rearrange their order. You can also hide or show a layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. This gives you full control over which elements are visible in your design. Now the real magic happens. You can edit each layer independently without affecting the rest of the image. For example, you can add text on one layer, adjust colors on another, and apply filters on yet another. Experiment with layer opacity to control the transparency of a layer. And that's it! You now know how to use layers to edit images in Adobe Photoshop. Layers are the key to unleashing your creativity and taking your designs to the next level. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use layers to edit images in Adobe Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting, keep honing your skills, and most importantly, have fun with your designs. Until next time, happy editing and see you on my next video.